Hey YouTube, this is iReviews15, and today I'm going to be doing a first look and review of iTunes 9 that was released on September 9th, 2009. So this is the latest version of iTunes, and I have it installed here. This is the main screen of the new iTunes store. You can see that they have a new black toolbar interface at the top, which gives you access to all the iTunes catalog. You can look through all the categories by just doing the drop downs. And another new thing in iTunes is iTunes LP. Now, iTunes LP is the new music format that's been rumored for a long time. And basically, it's not a big deal. All it is the same music, but put it in a separate format. So it's as if you have a virtual album. So you can go out of the iTunes interface once you buy it, and then you'll see everything like music, videos. I haven't bought an iTunes LP, so I can't demonstrate for you. But basically, you can see here, for instance, David Matthews Band just says track list, videos, photos, credits, and it's basically just music organized into an image virtual album style. So if you go back to the home page, you will also notice that there's new artists pages. So if I go just open an artist, Black Eyed Peas, you'll see that the artist pages now have a full picture of the band or the artist, and they have almost like a theme, so it's a bit neater, it looks better. And this for all artists and even albums. Albums have the same sort of design. So another thing that's new with iTunes 9 is for iPod Touches and iPhones. If you go into your Applications tab, you will see that you can organize all your apps, delete apps, and you can search through your apps right here on the side. Now I'm just going to show you how you delete apps and move apps. If you want to go to a different page, you have them all on the side here, and it flips through it. Let's say you want to delete a certain app. When you hover over any app, just like when you do it on your iPhone or iPod Touch, a little X comes up in the top left corner. And using that X, you just click it and the app is gone. Now, let's say I want to move an app from one place to another. If you're moving within the same page, just click and it'll move it around and all the apps will move with it, just like on the iPhone or iPod Touch. If you want to move from page to page, you can go hover over page 2, then it switches right here, so you can move it in page 2, page 4, and so on, so on. Here you can store your apps by category, name, and date. You can search through your apps, and then any changes you do make using iTunes 9 will be updated on your iPhone or iPod Touch the next time you sync. So another thing that's new on iTunes 9 is home sharing. Now, home sharing is basically a way to, like Windows Media Player has it, where you associate two email addresses with the same account. Now, iTunes has it the same way, except instead of an email account, you use your iTunes account. So it also gives you the feature, so if you have two iPod Touches or two different, like if you have a friend, you could put in your iTunes account here, then go to your friend's house, put in the iTunes account there, and then you can share an app. So let's say you paid for an app and you want to give it to your friend, you can give it to your friend through home sharing. And that helps you basically, like if you want to go to a different computer, listen to your same music, you just go on the computer, type in your iTunes account, and you have the same music, videos, podcasts, etc. that you had. Another new thing is basically here, it's just, a cleaner interface. There's also something called Genius Mix, which I cannot demonstrate, but I can explain it to you guys. Basically, it gives you, instead of just a list, it can do mixes for you and put your music together, and you can have like saved on your iPod Touch. I'm not sure if it's available on the iPhone 3G. It might be available, but I'm not sure. It's not really that different from Genius. You just can save a bunch of playlists and it's like pictures. Other than that, that's basically the new iTunes 9. Thanks for watching my video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.